Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the bitter truths you have to accept with you. There are truths that we sometimes come across in life that, although difficult to accept, offer a great lesson. In this video, we will openly talk about the harsh realities faced in life and explore how we can deal with these realities. Life is not fair. The first bitter truth is that life is not fair. It is important to accept that it is not a world where everyone starts on an equal footing. While some of us face tougher challenges, some of us are born in more advantageous positions. Accepting this fact allows us to evaluate our own lives more objectively and enables us to be more empathetic towards others. There are things we can't control. While there are many things in life we can control, it's important to admit that we have no control over some situations and events. This fact reminds us that life can sometimes present us with surprises, and we need to be prepared for it. We should focus on controlling our own behavior and not on how others and external factors will affect us. The inevitability of change. If there is one fixed truth in life, it is the inevitability of change. People grow, relationships evolve, things change, and our lives are constantly in flux. Accepting this reality allows us to learn to be flexible and adapt to change. We can live a happier and more fulfilled life by seeing the opportunities that change brings and understanding that change is a natural part of it. The inevitability of mistakes. No one is perfect, and it is part of human nature to make mistakes. Accepting mistakes and learning from them is important for personal growth and development. Every mistake presents a new opportunity and can make us stronger. By learning to be more tolerant of ourselves and to accept our mistakes, we understand ourselves better and grow. We cannot change others. Many times we try to change the behavior or thoughts of others, but the truth is, we can only change ourselves. Trying to change others just wastes our energy. Accepting this fact allows us to respect the freedom of others to make their own decisions and to set healthier boundaries in relationships. The passage of time. It is a fact that time passes quickly and never stops. It is important to evaluate every moment, to use time efficiently, and to focus on our priorities. We must learn to enjoy the moment and live in the present, rather than being stuck living in the past or drowning in worries about the future. Change of identity and values. As people age, their identities and values can change. This change is natural and is a continuous process of discovering and redefining ourselves. Recognizing that identities and values can change over time allows us to respect the change of others and to be more understanding in relationships. Nothing lasts forever. Accepting the fact that nothing in life lasts forever allows us to appreciate every moment that is fleeting. Relationships, jobs, health conditions, and even our life itself are temporary. Facing this reality allows us to learn to focus on the present and savor every moment. Probability of failure. Success is not always guaranteed, and sometimes we may encounter failure. Accepting failures allows us to learn to stand up stronger again. Every failure is a learning opportunity and brings us closer to our future success. The pain of loss. It is inevitable to encounter losses in life. Situations such as losing loved ones, ending relationships, or failing to realize our dreams can be painful. Accepting this reality allows us to experience the pain of loss and allows us to focus on the grieving process. Giving ourselves time and space allows us to deal with loss and rebuild our lives. With this video, you learned more about the bitter truths you have to accept. Remember, accepting the realities we face in life and learning how to deal with them is important for our personal growth and inner peace. See you in the next video. Bye.